Welcome back to another edition of Scrapbooking in Belize, and today I decided to do my Christmas card set, and I'll be making these little 2.5-inch cards for a gift, and I'll show you my process, so come along with me. Okay, after careful consideration, I'm thinking that I'll be doing a part 1 and 2 to this tutorial because I had to deep dive into my paper stack and get out my limited edition die cutting with a view, the Haute Pink stack, and this is a cardstock pad, and I'm actually going to be using only one phrase out of this pad, and it's Happy Day, and that's basically because I don't have a Christmassy cardstock, so I'm just going to be using Happy Day out of this cardstock pad. I'm also going to be decorating my box with my glitter poster boards here that I bought, and I got these here in Belize. I'm not quite sure which local store that I got it at. I did it. I made my little box, and it's Happy Day. It has the washi tape and the poster board around it. So now it's just to put the cards in it. Join me next time for another edition of Scrapbooking in Belize. Bye.